It's Wednesday, my dudes. Welcome from the Gorilla Mortgage Studios. I'm Dan on your inside team at Gorilla, and this is today's Mortgage Minute and a Half. Everything you believe is a lie, kind of, at least when it comes to your mortgages and your down payment. A recent poll of more than 3,000 U.S. consumers show renters struggling to understand what it takes to get a mortgage approved. And because of it, many are opting to renew their leases instead of buying those homes they'd rather be owning. The survey is from Ellie Mae, and on the question, what's stopping you from buying a home? 53% of millennials said, I haven't saved enough for a down payment. People, you're killing me. You don't need to have 20% down to buy a home. You haven't since 1934 when the FHA was formed. And for the last 5 years, there have been subsidized mortgage programs to promote homeownership and low rates in a way for renters to stop leasing where they live. Can you buy a house? Yes, you can. Or maybe you can, but you can't know until you ask. So get with your lender and see what's possible. Go on. Go. Scott, get the minivan. Mortgage rates are down today across the board. Conforming loans, FHA loans, VA and USDA. Everything is down this Wednesday, and that's good news for buyers of homes. With lower rates come lower payments, and that makes the buy versus rent decision a little simpler. Your actual rate quote will vary based on your loan size, your credit score, and where you live. And your lender makes a difference too, so talk to 2 or more lenders at least before making a decision and get the mortgage loan and rate that works best for you. There's been an unexpected slowdown in new home sales. According to U.S. Census Bureau data, the number of newly built homes going into contract dropped 8% this past January on a month-to-month basis, and the number of new construction homes for sale topped 300,000 for the first time since 2009. However, because the government's sample size on its new home sales report is small, we can't always assign an abundance of confidence to its data. And in reading the footnotes of this month's report, the Census Bureau notes a statistical margin of error of 19%, which means that new home sales may actually have increased by a lot. So maybe a better take on the new home market is the Home Builder Confidence Report published once monthly, which just put up its best reading for February since ever. The data only tells part of the story though, so get with a local pro and find out what's happening on the street. Gorilla does mortgage news 3 times weekly, and we want you to subscribe, share us with your office, leave a like and a comment, and remember, all national anthems are country songs. Aha! Aha! Country songs, because they're about the countries, right?
Yeah, that's solid.